सभी लोगों को हिंदी समझ आती है सर? एवरीबडी नो हिंदी? सभी को हिंदी समझ आती है? तो हिंदी में बात करेंगे, हिंदी समझ आती है तो भाई राम राम भाई सभी को। एनर्जी होनी चाहिए यार, थोड़ा जोश होना चाहिए। एंजॉय करने के लिए आए आप लोग यहाँ पे। हाँ जी, इंग्लिश ओके, इंग्लिश बोलनी पड़ेगी, हिंदी में बोल देंगे भाई, ठीक है, डोंट वरी। दोनों बोलो आप लोग, दोनों लैंग्वेज बोलो। चलो then first of all, good morning to everybody. I say good morning. Yeah, today you are trip with the Coral Island, right? Everybody come here for the enjoyments. You are coming far from away. Nobody come here for the sitting like that. You are come for the enjoyments here, for the entertainments. Today in your package you are going to the island, back to the Pattaya, and your lunch include your package. But outside your package have some water sports activities for make your trip memorable for the entertainments. How can you do the activities? I will explain to you one by one, so please listen carefully. 3 to 4 minutes only. After that today's your day, you can do enjoyment. This is the first station. First station in the sense, here is the parasailing activities. Here only parasailing. Only parasailing here. When you going for the parasailing, you can transfer yourself on the platform. Then staff provide the jacket. Inside the jacket have it 2 hook. Then parachute attached to the jacket, then you quickly take 3 to 4 steps. Or maybe the little bit running like that, little bit running. That's the time you are going inside there. When you going inside there, no need to hold the parachute, no need to scare. Because parachute, hold your body only, just relax, open your hands, same as like a bird. And see the Pattaya view. They make a big round around the platform, then after that landing is safely here. In the landing time, you can must open your hand like that. Because the cameraman is standing here, he will click your picture. Everybody can do the parasailing. 5 to 80-year-old, everybody can do easily. Basically, who cannot do? Who has the road inside the leg or weight more than 100 kg cannot allow for the parasailing, because we want a safety first here. When you're going for the parasailing, your caps, bag, sleeper, mobile, wallet, bag, everything keep there. Your guide Nancy, she will take care of your belonging, and she will take care of you until your lunch around 2 o'clock when you go back to the Pattaya. After finish the parasailing, everybody move to the next station. Next station in the sense is the next technique, most beautiful and unique activity. It's called undersea walk. This is the highlight game on a trip. Today your trip is the Coral Island. But what is the coral? It's called coral inside the water. Before you see the National Geographic Channel, today you can see the live by beautiful eye inside the water. The coral is the stone is a gem. It's a very expensive stone. Someone wearing the ring also. The coral first you can find the Indonesian and second in the Thailand. The coral is the heart of the sea. Today you have a chance to see the heart of the sea. So don't miss your chance. You must to do this activity also. In this activity, no need to swimming, no need to jumping. You just do normally walk inside the water, same as like a kids. Everybody going a depth inside the water, 8 to 9 meters, and spend a time inside the water. 15 to 20 minutes, spend a time inside the water. It's the 8 to 9 meters the depth, and timing is the 15 to 20 minutes, spend a time inside the water. The bodyguard give you the helmet. Inside the helmet have a lot of oxygen. You can take it easily, breathe inside the water, same as like here. And inside the helmet have a lot of air pressure. Water cannot go inside the helmet. Water touch only your shoulder. The bodyguard gives you the helmet, one by one you are going inside the water. Once time 15 to 20 people going inside the water, nobody going alone. When you're going inside the water, you can stand like that. Inside the water have a little problem. You cannot speak, the bodyguard cannot listen because of this element. So inside the water have some sign. The bodyguard is going with you, they will in front of you, and they will show your hand like this. It's mean bodyguard trying to ask you how you feel inside the water. If you feel good, if you feel enjoyment, then you will say yes, I'm okay, like that. Remember the sign in Thailand, yes, I'm okay. If you feel uncomfortable, then you will decide the thumbs up. Then bodyguard quickly catch you and take off you outside the water within 1 or 2 seconds. Because the bodyguard is always with you inside the water. They cannot leave on a single second. Inside the water only 2 signs. Leave me here and take me out, only 2 signs. When you will do yes, I'm okay, then everybody can start the walk. That's the time bodyguard gives you some bread inside the water. You can mess the bread, that's the time lot of many kind of fish around of you. You can feed the fish, that's the time cameraman also going with you. He will click a picture, make the videos also like that. After finish like this, we will send the link on your WhatsApp. You can download your picture and the videos on the WhatsApp. Everybody can do this activity also. 5 to 80-year-old, everybody can do easily. But strictly, who cannot do? Heart and asthma patient cannot allow for this activity. Otherwise, everybody can do easily. And we are coming the first time in this foreign trip, so don't miss this activity. Because this is a highlight game trip. Every day, thousands of people from different countries come here voting only this activity here because it's the main activity in your trip. After finish this activity, everybody reach on the island. On the island, have a 2 activities more. Third is a jet ski, same as like a motorbike. Everybody know how to do the drive motorbike, but here's a little difference. There is not a road, it's the water. When you're going for the driving, the driver sits behind on you. He will tell to you how can move, how can ride. You make a big round inside the sea, and after that they drop on the beach. And the last is called banana boat. Minimum 2 and a maximum 4 people sit on the banana. The jet ski pull the banana. He make a big round inside the sea, and after that they drop on the beach. In this activity, you have one option, just for the fun, just for enjoyment. Before you will going, they will ask you, you want to dip inside the water, yes or not? If you want to dip, they will increase the speed of the boat, the banana is around it and fall down inside the water. So no need to scare. First, everybody wear the life jacket. And the second, that place where fall down is at the water, is the water depth like 3 or 4 feet. Water touch your half body. So no need to scare, you can stand and come on the beach. This is the 4 activities in your trip. Now you decide to discuss how can make your trip. If you want to make your trip with a boring, you just sitting, waiting for what? Everybody stay around 40 minutes. After that, you move to the next station. If you are literally coming for enjoyments, then you choose your water sport activities and make your trip is the memorable. When everybody reach on the island, don't have any platform on the island. Your boat stop inside the water. When you came out from the boat, then water touch until your waist. Then everybody is awake today. Because today your trip inside the sea. Then everybody is awake today. Now come to the coast. If you buy one by one activities, then expensive for you. If you buy according to the package, then it's cheaper and discount also. When you're going for the parasailing, you can pay 800 baht for the parasailing. 800 baht, 800 baht parasailing. It's under Shivok is a 1,500 baht. If you want the photo or video, you can pay extra 800 baht. So only this activities with photo video 2,300 baht, 300 baht. Jet ski the 500 baht, 500 baht, banana boat the 400 baht, 400 baht. If you buy one by one activities, you can pay approx 4,000 baht. We are charged for another country, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Taiwan, etc. But especially for India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, for that country, have a special discount. But I have one condition. You cannot share the activities to another person, even you are a family member. But you cannot share the activities. Then I got a discount 1,500 baht. You just pay 2,500 baht in all activities per person full day trip. 2,500 baht in all activities per person. Parasailing, undershoot, jet ski, banana plus. Under Shivok photo and video is the free in the package. We just provide the photo and video only under Shivok is the free in the package. But another activity is photo. Parasailing, jet ski, banana photo is the chargeable, is the hard copy. When you finish your trip, you go to the Pattaya, we will show your picture, put in a beautiful frame. It's a hard copy. Per piece the 100 baht. If you like, you can buy. If you don't like, never mind, you can leave it. Otherwise, you can click the DJT picture by your mobile also, you have an option. And the second package, today hired game. Parasailing and under Shivok, 2 activities. Normally price 3,100 baht. We are giving a discount 1,100 baht. You just pay 2,000 baht include under Shivok photo and video. And the last package, some people they are scared of the height or maybe the weight issue. For that person, under Shivok, jet ski and banana, 3 activities. Normally price 3,200 baht. We are giving a discount 1,200 baht. You just pay 2,000 baht include under Shivok photo and video. In the all package, we just provide the photo and video only under Shivok is the free. So now you quickly decide how can make your trip. Even literally coming for enjoyment, you can buy the ticket from Nancy or staff and start that dish. You can pay 3 methods, 5 baht, dollar, phone pay, Google Pay, Paytm. You can pay also. If you have a doubt, you can ask to me, you can ask to Blue also, you can ask to Seva also. Thank you so much. Thank you. 2500 बात लगेंगे पूरे पैकेज